so many things using computers and mobile devices. We type content, listen to music, listen to videos, play games, and much more. But have you wondered how a computer or mobile device understands us? How can it process or carry out an action that we specify? In the world of computing, input devices play a crucial role in translating human actions and thoughts into a language that computers can interpret and process. These devices serve as the primary interface between the user and the computer system, enabling a seamless interaction that forms the backbone of modern technology. Think about it. Without these handy tools, we would be lost trying to tell our computers what to do. At its core, an input device is any hardware apparatus that allows users to communicate and feed data into a computer. The spectrum of these devices is vast, ranging from traditional keyboards and mouse to more sophisticated gadgets like voice recognition systems and graphics tablets. Each of these tools has a unique way of capturing user input, whether it be text, voice, gestures, or images, and converting it into digital signals that the computer can understand and act upon. It's fascinating, isn't it? A simple click or a spoken word can turn into something a computer can understand. Let's try to understand an MCQ question based on this study. The question is, dash devices translate what people understand into a form that computers can process. Your options are input, output, analog, and mechanical. So what's your answer? Yes, you are right if you said input. We learned about many input devices and their uses. Remember the times you effortlessly swiped through your phone? That's a touch screen working its magic. Touch screens represent a more advanced form of input device, combining the functions of both display and input. Users interact directly with what is displayed on the screen, making operations intuitive and efficient. Voice recognition technology, on the other hand, captures spoken words, converting them into text or commands. This technology has seen tremendous growth, empowering users to interact with their devices in a more natural and hands-free manner. If you wish to revise information on input devices, you can turn to page number 126 in your MSCIT book. And here's something we can keep wondering as we continue to innovate. Who knows what exciting new input devices the future will bring? As technology advances, input devices will continue to evolve, offering more natural and intuitive ways for humans to interact with machines, thereby shaping the future of human-computer interaction.